The Bill of Rights. Original document from the public domain adapted by Newsela staff on June 22, 2016. Congress of the United States had a meeting in New York City on Wednesday, March 4, 1789. They wanted to make the Constitution easier to understand, so clearer language needed to be added. They wanted the people to trust the government. The Senate and House of Representatives worked on the changes. 2/3 of both houses agreed that the following new parts be sent to the states. If any of the new parts was approved by 3/4 of the states, they would be amendments and they would become part of the Constitution. So Amendment 1. Congress shall make no law setting up one national or state religion. It cannot stop anyone from being part of a religion. No law can stop or get in the way of freedom of speech. No law can stop freedom of the press to write and print. No law can stop the right of the people to peacefully meet and talk. People have a right to send complaints to the government. Amendment 2. A well-organized small army can be set up for the safety of a free state. People have the right to own, carry, and use weapons and guns. They shall not be limited or taken away. Amendment 3. No soldier shall, in time of peace, live, eat, or sleep in any house without the approval of the owner. This cannot happen in time of war unless this is changed by law. Amendment 4. The people have the right to protect their persons, houses, papers, and things from unfair searches. Good reasons from these searches must be in writing. The permission is given to search only a certain place. Only certain named people or things that have been written can be taken. Amendment 5. No person shall be put in jail for crimes of murder, crimes against the government, stealing a lot of money, or badly hurting someone unless given a written copy of what the crime was. There must be evidence that supports the arrest, except when soldiers and or sailors of our country are at war or the people of the United States are in danger. No person can be arrested and go to trial more than once for the same crime. Never shall the person on trial be forced in any criminal case to be a witness against himself. No person shall lose his life, freedom, money, land, or things without a chance to have a judge or jury decide the result. Property owned by a person cannot be taken to be used by the public without fair payment of money to the person who owns the property. Amendment 6. In all criminal trials, the person on trial shall have the right to a speedy and public trial by a fair jury of the state and place where the crime happened. The person has to be told the reasons for being on trial. The person can face and listen to the witnesses against him. The person can have his own witnesses to help him, witnesses to explain the facts, and can have a lawyer to help him defend himself. Amendment 7. In civil court, when a person is sued for more than $20, the right of trial by jury is still the person's right. This can happen only one time, and there is no way to change the final result unless it is according to the rules of the common law. People have a right to pay a fair amount of money to stay out of jail before and at the time of the trial. If the person is found guilty, he must pay a fair amount of money for a fine. Other punishments cannot be too cruel. Amendment 9. Certain rights in the Constitution shall not be seen to be the only rights. There are more rights that are given to and held by the people. And Amendment 10. The powers not given to the United States by the Constitution are given to each of the states and to the people.